Hello, my dears. In the last class, we learnt about the principles of treatment, the various ways by which a disease can be treated. But there are certain limitations for this approach. The first one being, in an infected person, some of the body functions may be damaged and may not recover completely. The second one is that the treatment might take time, during which the person might be bedridden for a while. And the third and the most important is that an infected person might become a source of spreading the disease to other people. Thus, prevention of diseases is better than their cure. So let us see the principles of prevention. There are two ways of prevention of infectious diseases. They are general ways and specific ways. General ways include the prevention of exposure to the infectious microbes. That is, how can we prevent being exposed to infectious microbes? It is mainly by maintaining public hygiene. For example, in the case of an airborne infection, we can prevent ourselves being exposed by providing living conditions that are not overcrowded. For waterborne microbes, we can provide ourselves with safe drinking water. It can be done by treating the water to kill microbial contamination, like by boiling water or by adding chemicals like chlorine to disinfect the water. For vector-borne infections, we can provide clean environments so that we are not allowing vectors to breed in our environment. The next general way of preventing diseases or exposure to microbes is by boosting our immune system. As we know, our immune system plays an important role in fighting off the microbes. And to have a strong immune system, it is important that we have proper and sufficient food. So, availability of proper and sufficient food will help in building a strong immune system, which in turn will help us to fight against diseases. Coming on to the next is the specific ways of prevention. The specific ways to prevent infectious disease is by immunization or by taking vaccines. Vaccines provide immunity from infectious diseases like tetanus, diphtheria, whooping cough, measles, polio, etc. Let us see how our immune system works. When an infectious microorganism like bacteria or virus or other toxins enter our body, our immune system becomes active. The white blood cells will start destroying the infectious microbe by producing antibodies. When pathogens like bacteria or virus enter our body, as we said, our immune system will become active and the white blood cells start producing antibodies. These antibodies will destroy the pathogens. Even when the pathogens are destroyed, the antibodies will remain in our body for fighting against any future infection. Vaccines are designed to mimic the pathogen or antigen. When the vaccine enters our body, our immune system starts becoming active and starts producing antibodies to destroy the antigen. And the remaining antibodies stay in our body. Along with the antibodies, some memory cells are also produced, which is stored in our body. In future, if the antigen re-enters our body, the memory cells will start producing antibodies and destroy the antigen. This is how a vaccine works and fights against diseases.